Production of industrial paints, enamel, PU, epoxy and PTFE. Welcome back. This time, we have the most fascinating and educational business idea. We have a very special treat for you today, an introduction to the world of industrial paints. Yes, we'll delve deeply into the world of enamel, PU, epoxy, and PTFE paints and discuss why starting a business in this sector is not only a wise business decision but also very profitable. So let's get going. Why start this business? At this point, you may be asking yourself, why start a business in the industrial paint industry? Let me tell you, there are a number of reasons why this is an amazing opportunity. First, the demand for industrial paints is ever growing, and it's used in numerous industries, from automotive to construction. In addition, industrial paints are necessary to preserve and enhance items. They increase robustness and beauty, which makes them essential. Advantages of starting this industry. Innovation is one significant benefit. The industrial paint market is always changing, giving you the chance to create groundbreaking goods. Moreover, when you provide quality paints, your customers will keep coming back, building trust and loyalty. Profitability. Any business's first priority is profitability. Let's discuss the reasons industrial paints have so high profit potential. The demand for industrial paints ensures a steady income stream, and with efficient production, you can maximize profits. Governmental standpoint. Knowing the government's perspective is essential when starting a business. Let's examine the ways in which the government helps the industrial paint sector. Governments often encourage environmentally friendly paints, offering incentives and support for businesses that adhere to eco-friendly standards. Market outlook. Finally, let's delve into the market outlook for the industrial paint industry. The market for industrial paints is expected to continue growing, providing long-term sustainability for your business. Conclusion. This concludes our thorough explanation of why starting an industrial paint business that sells enamel, PU, epoxy, and PTFE paints is not only a smart move, but also a lucrative one. Recall that on this thrilling adventure, innovation, quality, and government backing are your allies. I appreciate you seeing. Remember to hit the notification bell, like, and subscribe for more thrilling content. Stay motivated and keep depicting your success story until the next time.